Is PDFsam Basic refusing to open on your computer? Yeah, that can be frustrating, especially when you need to work with PDF files right away. The good news is that this issue is often caused by a simple software conflict, an outdated installation, or missing system components. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PDFsam Basic not opening in 2026. So let's get started. First, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary system issues that may be preventing PDFsam Basic from launching. Once your computer starts again, try opening the application before moving on to the next step. Next, right-click the PDFsam Basic shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives the program the permissions it may need to start correctly. If a user account control prompt appears, select Yes to continue. If the application still doesn't open, reinstall the latest version of PDFsam Basic. An incomplete installation or damaged files can prevent the program from launching. Before reinstalling, it's a good idea to uninstall the existing version first. Recent versions of PDFsam Basic include the required runtime, but if you're using an older release, make sure your system meets the software requirements and any required components are installed. Yeah, running an outdated operating system can also cause compatibility issues. Sometimes antivirus or security software may block applications from starting. Review your security software to see if PDFsam Basic has been quarantined or blocked. If necessary, allow the application and then try opening it again. Finally, restart PDFsam Basic after completing the previous steps. In most cases, the application should now open normally. So if the issue continues, checking the application's log files or contacting PDFsam support may provide additional troubleshooting information. And that's how to fix PDFsam Basic when it won't open. Restarting your computer, reinstalling the latest version, checking compatibility, and reviewing your security software will solve the problem in many cases. I mean, once the application launches normally, you can get back to managing your PDF files without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.